You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. Yo! You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Boom! Today we are with Shawn. Yeah, man. Silver himself. With Mr. Cap-Alot. Yes, man. Mr. Cap-Alot. Blood clot. I walk Cap-Alot another one. Make a scene, man. We jump in the one on here with the G officer, man. Let's go. So, thumbnail. Make a check out the thumbnail first. We see one cap on one platform. And all for cap that's still, but I Mr. Cap-Alot. Let's go.
But when you see me, where you go do? Cap-Alot. In my dream. No boy can't box me. You don't know that. Be my driver. You don't know that. Apa do Mr. Cap-Alot. You don't know that. Mine get a job at Kappa shop. You don't know that. See the chance with the pant up that. Hey. And pretty girl, she suck my cack-a-lot. Hey. Designer shoes when me stop a shop. Hey. Them the foreigner make a bag of chat. Hey, but to go suck your mother back. You.
Yeah, that would the foreigner make a bag of chat. Who him attack? Chat, please let me know who him a chat, cause we don't get any name.
Hey, but to go suck your mother back. You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Cargo is really shit in our bag. What that? Nick.
A Sky got him attack? Cargo is really shit in our bag. Wait the man, Shawn. Wait the man, Shawn. Wait about shit in a plate. No shit in a bag. Cargo man say shit in a bag, brother.
When you see me, where you go do? Cap-Alot. In my dream. Must. No boy can't box me. You don't know that. Be my driver. You don't know that. Apa do Mr. Cap-Alot. You don't know that. Mine get a job at Kappa shop. You don't know that. See the chance with the pant up that. Hey. And pretty girl, she suck my cack-a-lot. Hey. Designer shoes when me stop a shop. Hey. Them the foreigner make a bag of chat. Hey, but to go suck your mother back. You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that?
Him say bruh. Mr. Pedophile. Wait.
You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that?
Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. Bruh. Brat? Never brat? I never brat in my style? What going on, sir?
You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Cargo is really shit in our bag. What that? Nigga things when you want to with your mouth.
Now, that shot the direct with the cargo with the cargo name call. But the bruh, me not sure if I never brat him a talk.
You suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Cargo is really shit in our bag. What that? Nigga things when you want to with your mouth. Feel like a clout. Me hear him lax in a pussy a John. Feel like a clout.
Me hear him lax in a pussy a John. Feel like a clout. Who locks up? Oh, the blood clot.
Nigga things when you want to with your mouth. Feel like a clout. Me hear him lax in a pussy a John. Feel like a clout. Them thump out your grills in a crowd. Feel like a clout. And a batty that one the alley cold. Feel like a clout.
Them thump out your grills in a crowd. Feel like a cloud. Me I try to figure out what I want to say now. When the Munga and the Deverat fight did go on stage, was Deverat wearing grills? Because out of Deverat and Cargo, we called the name recently, out of Deverat and Cargo, it would more I knew that Deverat had grills at one point. So is it Deverat in attack? Them thump out Deverat grills in a crowd feel like a cloud? What one?
Them thump out your grills in a crowd feel like a...
Or am I getting it all wrong? Comment section, please help me out, please.
Cloud and a batty that one the alley cold from the cloud style. Pussy you can't style me. Me never suck a pussy yet, can't style me. Me never fuck a batty yet, can't style me. Only thing them some fuck up so you can't style me. About 7-8 song in a dancer, right? Remember good number 5 on the iTunes chart. Remember good.
How's the 7-8 song in a dancer? Yo, stop shading up, Shawn. Call name no brother like you call Cargo name dog. More and what we are that dog.
7-8 song in a dancer, right? Remember good number 5 on the iTunes chart. Remember good not no song big like my life. Remember good enough.
This is just a reminder.
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. Them a much we get the beamer. What for Caesar, give to Caesar.
Them a mad to him get him beamer. What for Caesar, give to Caesar. Hold on, man. Run it again. Run it again. Run it again.
But when you see me, where you go do?
I wish him in the call more name apart from cargo still.
No boy can box
A few people get called enough.
Be my driver, you don't know that. Apa do me sa Cap-Alot, you don't know that. Mine get a job a Kappa shop, you don't know that. See the chance with the pant up of that. Hey. Them pretty girl, she suck my cacalat. Hey. Designer shoes when me stop a shop. Hey. Them the foreigner make a bag of chat. Hey, but don't suck your mother back. Youth, you know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Brat, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Cargo is really shit in our bag. What that? What that? Nigga things when you a do with your mouth, feel like a cloud. Me hear him lax in a pussy a jump, feel like a cloud. Them dump out your grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And a batty that one the alley cold, feel like a cloud. Style pussy you can't style me. Me never suck a pussy yet, can't style me. Me never fuck a batty yet, can't style me. Only thing them some fuck up so you can't style me.
Yeah, one thing in the lyrics are chopping, bro. See if I chopping a dog.
About 7-8 song in a dancer, right? Remember good number 5 on the iTunes chart. Remember good enough, no song big like my life. Remember good enough.
You have no song big like my life. I love my life. That song them attack. He might ask the person if them have no song big like my life. So me know say that is not a cargo shot, cause cargo not sell up my friend bigger than my life. So who him attack? Yes, so.
Number 5 on the iTunes chart. Remember good enough, no song big like my life. Remember good enough.
This is just a reminder.
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. Them a much we get the beamer. What for Caesar, give to Caesar. Copy rhythm. Gaza indomitable, unstoppable, we're unflappable. Straight vibes can't dash with it unmappable. We like the code pussy, it uncrackable. When we take where your gal and cut, we're untrackable. Move, it's not hackable, shackable, it knackable. Him iTunes chart. Remember good enough, no song big like my life. Remember good enough.
This is just a reminder.
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. Them a much we get the beamer. What for Caesar, give to Caesar. Copy rhythm. Gaza indomitable, unstoppable, we're unflappable. Straight vibes can't dash with it unmappable. We like the code pussy, it uncrackable. When we take where your gal and cut, we're untrackable. Move, it's not hackable, shackable, it knackable. Him can't chew binocular pre, me say be snackable. Bout me kidnappable, bitch, I am nottable. Married to my money and gun, we compatible. 100 rounds in the drum, ready for tackle you. I know sound I select, but me select. Better shut your fucking mouth or live with regrets. The best for do it, Gaza, no pussy test. This is a precursor, just look for the next. More lyrics and melodies.
This is a precursor, look for the next. More lyrics and melodies. So, am I saying my next song for drop?
No pussy test, this is a precursor, just look for the next. More lyrics and melodies, better finesse. Bourbon, tappy rhythm now.
Yo, pass the light to the X.
Very bad music, big up yourself. Studio X. Yeah.
That's a wrap.
Wow. At this stage, I shouldn't have to be wondering who I will attack. I shouldn't have to be wondering who I will attack, but unfortunately, that is what I'm doing here. So I want you in the comment section to help me and tell me who I will attack in another one. Who they are foreign? All right. Okay, go through something. Who they are foreign? Because we are basis of a two-person now. Because we hear him call cargo name, so cargo one. So I'm more going on line of Deverbrat. Is he talking about Deverbrat? All right. What can match back with Deverbrat in this song? The Deverbrat, they are foreign. Him say, no have no big song. Him say, none of your song them no bigger than I Love My Life. That can possibly go at Deverbrat also, if you want to look at it like that. The rape allegation, when them always bring up on rare. He mentioned something about pedophile there, so I'm not even at Deverbrat. What else him say? What else him say? When me catch you, where blah blah blah. Him say a few things where could aim at Deverat. So is he talking to Cargo and Deverat? We don't establish a Cargo because him call Cargo name. The part where him say bra. Him say bra, something about bra in the song, and then him say something after that. The part there with them thump out grills in a crowd. I'm sure at that time when Deverat and Munga were Deverat had grills in.
Nigga things when you want with your mouth, filling a club. Me relax in a pussy, a jump, filling a club. Get dump out the grills in a crowd, filling a club. And I party that one, they are the cold, filling a club. Style, pussy, you can't style me. Me never suck a pussy, you can't style me. Never fuck a party, you can't style me. Only thing them some fuck up, so you can't style me. About 7, 8 songs in a dancer. Remember good number 5 on the iTunes chart. Remember good number sound big like my life. Remember good number.
This is just a reminder.
You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, shoot.
That part yeah, bruh. That part them want get to.
Make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that?
Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. Is he talking about the rat right there? Oh, like, me shouldn't have to pick my brain for one, because everybody shoot directly at you, Shawn. So me shouldn't have to pick my brain to find out if I never attack right there. So just like you call Cargo name. You see me? I will know say Cargo. Well, you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is just my reaction to it. Bad, full of lyrics. Big up yourself, Shawn. Full of lyrics. The beat bad. You see me? You chat a bag of things tonight. Like it. War is out. War is in the air. I mean, no say Cargo a answer this. I know Cargo a answer this. Cargo I suck Cargo stay. Cargo now make this out. That one a slide. Cargo the man call a shit in a bag, brother. Man say a shit in a bag. Plastic bag, standard bag, yes. Fine bag, feeding bag, yes. Hand bag, all type of bag. Bag. Yes, man say a shit in a bag, dog. That man say, I know me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll be there. Alright, peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.